What's up, my fam? It's a wonderful day here in Florida as usual. Today we're gonna go check out some monster trucks. Let's do it. First up, we got Monster Energy.
You're not scared? Jack, turn around, dude.
Thing is huge.
Move.
Look how big this thing is. The tire's bigger than me. That was so legit. That thing was awesome. Monster Energy drink. Monster truck. Now it's on to the next one. Definitely not a good time to go see some monster trucks. 5 o'clock traffic, that rush hour. This is brutal. This is brutal, people. Get a lot of time to think to yourself. But I don't want to think to myself. I want to freaking see some monster trucks. Let's get it, people. I am currently still stuck in traffic trying to go see the ice cream monster truck. Ice cream monster truck? I wonder if there'll be free ice cream there. Get it? Maybe not, I don't know. But yeah, stuck in this brutally horrible traffic. The sacrifices of seeing all these trucks in Jacksonville at 5 o'clock, rush hour, horrible idea. Hey, but at least we can watch these cars zoom by as we're at a standstill. Watch how fast this is. They're like laser speed. Oh, another truck right there. I always sit here and think, what do people think about my stickers on the back? Because if you don't know, I have a sticker that says Disney Addict. So, and I have my Universal Annual Pass and my Disney Annual Pass magnets on the back. So people are probably like, wow, this guy has an obsession. Sorry, what can I say? I'm a kid at heart and I love it. So, it's the theme park life. And it's a life for me. How ironic is it that the ice cream monster truck is at Dairy Queen? That's freaking awesome. I don't care who you are. That's funny. That's funny how it says caution children.
Daddy.
14. When that picture was taken, wasn't it?
Wait for me.
Well, I'm not gonna lie. That ice cream truck is pretty cool. That ice cream truck was pretty rad right there. The fact that it's at Dairy Queen that's hilarious. That is beyond ironic right there. If that monster truck served ice cream, he would be considered the best monster truck of all time. Sorry, Gravedigger, I'm gonna push you to the side. That guy's giving out free ice cream. Hilarious. Well, time to fight more traffic and on to the next one. Well, the chances of me crossing this road in the next 3 hours is impossible. So how about we take a look from across the street. There's a truck over there. The truck's name's Obsession. I haven't been in the monster truck game in a while, but I'm not really familiar with that one. Obsession. Let's go check it out if we can. There it is. The Obsession. Pretty freaking sweet. Basking in the sunlight. We gotta go, there's a bus coming. Ah! Whew. Do I really want to fight this traffic to see another truck? Yes, because it's the freaking Hot Wheels truck. Freaking Hot Wheels. Are you kidding me? They have a Hot Wheels truck? That's epic. I really hope that arrow don't go to red. I would hate to see what happens. It can't be good. I really need to get over right now. Please let me get over right now. Or it could be ugly. Check out that sun. That's why I love Florida. That bright sunshine. It's February and it's currently 71 degrees. Sorry folks up north that are dealing with those snowstorms. That's not for me. That sun is though. How about that? So after all the excitement and anticipation to see the Hot Wheel monster truck, I drive 20 minutes out of my way. I get there, he's not there. It's another Gravedigger. Gravedigger's so good, he has 2 trucks out right now. If I really wanted to see the Hot Wheels. Unfortunately, I won't be able to see the Hot Wheels. I'll have to wait till Sunday when we actually go see the monster truck show. So you better not disappoint, Hot Wheels, because this was a shot to the heart right here. A shot to the heart. I wanted to see you, man. I see you on the flip side, Hot Wheels. And when I mean flip side, you better do some flips. Peace out, Hot Wheels. Last but not least, it's freaking Gravedigger, the legend. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be epic. We're gonna end this day on a bang, people. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, guys, it's the legend. It's Gravedigger. It's Gravedigger.
They got the monster truck at the Walmart account. Well, Duval Ford's got bone pressure. No, I thought they had the cars. The Matchbox, they went over the cars, the little cars.
Oh, the cars? Okay.
The Matchbox cars or something? Yeah, I don't remember what they're called. I was going to go to Duval Ford, and then they said this was here, but it was a lot closer. Oh, really? Oh my god. Wow. Really?
Look at that selfie life. That selfie life. No, you're good.
I could photo. Stay down. Zachary, look at me.
It's crazy how big these things are.
Zach.
He's like,
Zachary.
it's like, get me off this thing.
They cut.
That's insane.
Some, this one not really, but some of you see scrape marks where they like dug out the rubber.
That rim.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah, he landed hard on it. Jeez.
So crazy. That's the legend of Gravedigger. Man, that's so cool.